What are the 4 questions for PLTs? Number 1, what do we expect them to learn?
Well, first, we have to define that standard. It takes some unpacking. So think about standard 1.6. One person is going to give it to the team in real talk. That person will define the standard for everybody in the team and make sure that it comes across so everyone understands the standard. That person will also connect it to real life for our students to make sure they're engaged.
But how will we know when they're learning?
You'll bring student work to the table. You're going to sort these pieces of student work and see what's the level 2, what are level 3s, and really examine what you see when you're looking at the work. What are those students thinking? What are those students doing in their work? You're going to think about what makes one student's work successful. What are those bright stars? And then you're going to start to wonder, what more information do we need to teach this standard?
How will you respond when they don't learn?
This is where ISIL comes into play. Remember, it's ISIL. We start with instruction. How can we teach this standard a little differently? How can we adapt the curriculum to fit the needs of this specific group of students? What in your environment can shift to make it ripe for all learners? And lastly, it's the kid talk portion. What's happening with your learner?
How will we respond if they already know it?
This is a step where you share empowering ideas for instruction. Maybe you'll come up with some level 4 activities, or even more. You might do research into the next grade level to see how you can brighten that student's experience.
Thank you so much for your time.
This was a